Genesis Home Improvements, a licensed, bonded, and insured home improvement company, is back with another transformative roof replacement project. Watch as we breathe new life into another Southern California home, providing not just a new roof, but a fresh start for homeowners seeking reliability, trustworthiness, and exceptional service. Stay tuned to witness the remarkable transformation and see why Genesis Home Improvements is the go-to choice for all your roofing needs. This Southern California home was in dire need of a new roof. The shingles were old, rotting, deteriorating, and no longer keeping the home protected against the elements. The homeowners wanted to give this home a fresh new start. After shopping around for a reliable and trustworthy roofing contractor, they stumbled upon Genesis Home Improvements. After meeting with them, inspecting the condition of the existing roof, and creating a detailed course of action, our team quickly went to work. We carefully prepped the house and removed the old roof. Once that was done, we diligently installed a new base layer for complete protection. After all was set, we carefully laid each shingle down. For this project, we chose Owens Corning roofing materials. These shingles boast exceptional durability, engineered to withstand the harshest elements and ensure long-term protection for your home. With a diverse range of colors and styles, they can complement any architectural design. Moreover, their energy-efficient properties allow for lower cooling and heating costs, making them a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. Additionally, by choosing Owens Corning, you gain peace of mind knowing you're investing in trusted brands supported by industry-leading warranties. Eager to see the final results? Impeccable, isn't it? The homeowners are pleased with their new home, and we're happy to be a conduit for this new change. With this new roof, the homeowners will be able to keep their home and family protected. We are equally pleased with the outcome of this project. Seeing the transformation of the home and the happiness it brought the homeowners fills us with pride and satisfaction. At Genesis Home Improvements, we strive for excellence in every project, and the completion of this roof replacement is a testament to our commitment to high standards and client satisfaction. Ready to get started on your project? Call Genesis Home Improvements at 858-771-4255 or visit genesishomeimprovementssd.com.